Here's some interesting chicken facts for you. There are more chickens on Earth than any other bird species. Indiana alone has the third largest population with 26,017 hens. 8.63 billion eggs were produced in December alone of 2014. Hens can start laying eggs as young as 16 weeks old and can lay as many as 300 eggs per year. Just one hen. Imagine those commercial hen houses that have at least 300 hens in them. That's 90,000 eggs in 1 year from one hen house. It only takes 20 hours for the shell of an egg to form, but it takes 21 days for the baby chick to hatch. A rare circumstance can occur when the mother hen will release 2 yolks into the egg, which will result in a double yolker and can result in twin chicks being formed. Now, if that doesn't get you excited about egg reproduction, I don't know what will. Let's take a look at a cross-section of a fertilized egg so we can learn its parts and their function in chick embryo development. First up, we have the air cell, an empty space located at the large end of the egg between the inner and outer shell membrane. This is where the baby chick will peck its way out when it's time for him to hatch. Next up, we have the chalazi, a spiral, rope-like strand that anchors the yolk. There is one on top of the yolk and one at the bottom to provide more stability. Next, we have the germinal disc, which is a white spot located on the surface of the yolk. This is where the DNA for the chick is kept. We have the albumin, which is just a fancy term for the egg white. The yolk is the yellow inner part of the egg where the embryo will form. The yolk contains the food that will nourish the embryo as it grows. The yolk membrane is the membrane that surrounds the yolk and gives it its protection. The shell is the protecting layer for the entire egg, and it's made up of calcium carbonate. The inner membrane is the thin membrane located between the outer shell membrane and the albumin. The outer membrane is the thin membrane located just inside the shell.